First chapter, division. See here, it is what division means, sharing the equal. So warm up. Sharing is a caring. There are six coloring books. Here it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coloring books. Let us distribute them equally between Fabina and Revati. Fabina and Revati, they are distributing equally. When we are distributing equally, that is a division. So there were total 6 books. So 6 books are here. See what they are distributing. Now they are distributing. Fabina has 3 books. How? See, 6 books are there. One for her, one for here, and for this one to her, and this one to her. Okay, and this one to her, and this one to, that is this one, and this one to her. So how many books they are distributed? 1, 2, 3 for her, and 1, 2, 3 for her. So Fabina has 3 books. Fabina has 3 books and Revati has 3 books. So let us see what we are learning here. Look ahead. Divisions has repeated subtraction. Division means what? Repeating that is a subtraction. Relation between the multiplication and divisions. We are learning relation between multiplication and division. Division using a number strip. Here we are learning the number strip. That is a divisions using the number strip. Dividing a 2-digit number by 1-digit number. We are here what we are learning? 2-digit number by 1-digit number. Dividing. Properties of division and word problems we are learning here. So my way ahead. Revati's mother has got 15 pebbles from Chennai. She has told Revati to share them with 5 of her friends equally. So here it is what Revati, her mother is collecting that 15 pebbles from Chennai and she is telling to you, and you have to share your friend equally. Revati has made 5 circles on the ground. What she done? 5 circles she done. She placed one pebble in each circle. See, she is placing 1, 2, 3, 4, and then she is placed one more pebbles in each circle. Again, see 1, 2, 3. She is placing 1, 2, 3, 4. Then now she was still left with them more pebbles. So she is placed one more pebbles in each circle. Again, she is what she is doing? She is sharing the pebbles to one more to all circles. Now there is no pebbles left with the Revati. Now it is not, nothing is there, and each of her friends get 3 pebbles. So pebbles. So, and then how many friends there are? There are 5, and she is distributing 1, 1, 1, 1 like this, and the friends getting 3 pebbles. How many? See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Thus, she shared the pebbles equally with her friends. She is shared equally to her friends. Sharing equal means what? Equally means that is a division, and symbol for the division is like this. So symbol is division like this. Yes, no? Okay. Now a division fact can be made through the following question. See, how many pebbles are there altogether? How many? 15. Yes, no? Mama, that one collect the 15 pebbles. Yes, no? How many groups are there altogether? That is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Then how many pebbles are there each group? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. Now, so the divisions fact can be written as 15 divide. This is a divide sign, no? Division sign. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Yes, no? So thus 15 is divided into 5 groups. How many? 15. They are divided, they are equal to, that is a 5 groups will be given 3 each group. Division has repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. So multiplication is what? Added. That is a repeated addition. Multiplication means what? The repeated addition, and division is repeated subtraction. See, the division can be shown repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction is known as many times of a number is subtracted. Many times the number is subtracted from the given number to get 0. I remember division is a repeated subtraction while multiplication repeated addition. Already I told now. Yes, no? I told now, no? So what is that one? Multiplication is repeated addition. Example, divide 12 strawberry equal among 3 turtles. So strawberries 12 is there and they are distributing the among their friends. Yes, no? No, see again the 12 is there and one they are giving 3 strawberries they eaten up, then remaining what? 9. 3 minus, that is a 12 minus 3 means 9 strawberries remains. Again they are distributing till we have to get 0. So again they are distributing 1, 2, 3. 3 and 3, 6 strawberries already they eaten. Then 12 minus 6 means 12 strawberries. Again they are eating the 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is a 9 strawberry they eaten. And 12 minus 9 means 3 strawberries again remaining. And again they are distributing this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that is a 12 strawberry they are eaten up. Then all strawberries, what? Strawberries eaten up. So how many groups are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 12 strawberries divided by 4 is equal to, that is a 3. Yes, no? That is a what? 12 they are eaten 3, no? The groups are 4. So 4. Yes, no? 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So from above we get 12 minus 3, 9. 9 minus 3, 3, 6, 6 minus 3, 3, 3 minus 3, 0. Here we have subtracted 4, that is a 3, 4 times. How many times they are subtracted? 4 times. So 12 divided by 3, that is a 4. This is also known as division sentence. My practice time 1. Here solve the following. How many balls are here on the plate? The 3 plates are there. In each plate 5 balls are there. Now we will solve this one. How many balls are there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. How many groups are there altogether? 1, 2, 3. So how many balls are there in each group? You can see this one, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So 5 divided, that is a 15 divided into 15 divided into 3 groups will give 5 in each group. So 15, thus 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Now B1, the 3 plates are here and how many balls altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And how many groups? Altogether 3. For how many balls are there in each group? You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So 12 divided into 3 groups will give 4 in each group. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now here it is 3 plates are here. The each plate 2 balls are there. How many balls are there in altogether? 6. How many groups are there in altogether? 3. See how many balls in there each group? That is a 2, 2, 2, 2. So what? 6 divided into 3 groups will give 6. Yes, no? Will give 2. Group will give 2 in each group. So 6 divided into 3 groups will give what? 2 in each group. So thus 6 divided 3 is equal to 2. Now D1, how many plates are here? That is a 2. That is 2 groups. 1 group and 2 group. How many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7, 7, that is a 14. Then how many balls are there in each group? Already we can see this one, each group, that is a 7. So 14 divided by into 2 groups will give 7 in each group. So thus 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Now draw the box to make the group and write the division sentence for each. See, here it is they told already. What they told? Group of 5. We have to make a group 5. 1 group, 2 group and 3 group. That is a 5 group they are telling. Here draw the box to make a group of write the division sentence for each. So 5, that is a group of 5. So you have to make a 5. So how many first you have to think? First you have to count. How many? That is the balls are, that is a 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, that is a 20. They are telling group that divided by 5. We have to write down divided 5. That is what? How we are writing this one? The division sentence. See what we have to do? We have to, if it is like this, otherwise you can write down like this. This is outside 5, that is a divisor, and 20. So we have to tell the tables, and which is the table it is going on? 5 4 So 5 4 it is going on. So you have to subtract this one, and we have to make a 4, that is a 5 groups. That is a 1 to see, we have to make a 4 4 like this. 5 groups, 1 group, 2 group and 3 group and 4 group and 5 group. So the 5 group means what? How many equal they are taking? 4. 4 balls they are taking. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So in each one group they are getting 4 balls. Here it is a B1, groups 3. Group, we have to make a group first. We are not writing this one. First we have to make a group. That 12, that is how many candles are here? 12 candles are here, and divided by 3. So 3 means what? You have to write down like this. Otherwise, if you know the tables, you can write directly. You have to tell. So 3 4 So 3 4 means you have to make a group of, that is a 3 groups. Each of that is 4 candles are there. So one group, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. Now here it is a 4 groups. So how many cherries are there? 16 cherries are there. 16 into the 16 divided by 4. So 4 tables, which table it is coming? 16. How much? 16. 4 4 16. So the answer is 4. So in each group, one group, that is a 4 strawberry are there. 1 group, 2 group, 3 groups and 4 groups. Now 7, that is groups of 7. We have to make a 7 group. So how many umbrellas here? 14 divided by 7. So we have to divide, we have to share the 7 groups. The 14 umbrella is there, and we have to give to 7 groups. So what we have to do? We have to make a division sign. Otherwise you can write down this one. So how many it is coming? See, 7 2 7 2 7 7. It means that is a 14. So 7 groups. So how many? 2 2 each. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group, 5 and 6 and 7. In one group they are getting 2 umbrellas. Okay. Now here it is a cakes are here. How many cakes? 8 cake. What they told? 2 groups you have to make. 8 divided by 2. So 8, 2 and 8. So bigger is inside, that is a 2. Divided by 2 means this is outside. So this is a divisor, dividend, and answer is what? 2 4 18 and 8 minus 8, that is a 0. The answer is 4. Now using the repeated subtraction, divide the following. So 14 divided 2. So here it is, this is what? This is a divisor. We are calling this is a divisor, and this is a dividend. This is a dividend, and this is a quotient. This is what? This is a quotient, and this is a remainder. Okay, this is a remainder. Yes, no? Now see, 12, that is a 14 divided by 2. 2 is outside. We have to write on inside, that is a 14. And we have to tell the tables. Which table it is coming? 2 7s are 14. So we have to write the subtraction sign, and 14. 4 minus 4, 0, and 1 minus 1, that is a 0. So the answer is, that is a 7. The answer is 7. Now 12 divided by 6. 12 is inside and 6 is outside. This is a divisor, this is a dividend. So 6 tables how much? 6 twos are. So 6 twos are. What you are writing? Za. That is you have to write on upper part, and 6 twos are 12. Again you have to subtract this one 0. The answer is 2. Now 5, that is a 20. 20 divided by 5. So 20 is outside and 20, that is a 5 is outside, 20 is inside. Then you have to tell the tables. 5 how much? 20. 5 4s are 20. So we have to subtract this one. 5 4s are 20. Again you have to write on 20 and subtract this one 0 0. The answer is 4. 16 divided by 4. So 4 outside, that is a divisor, and 16 is a dividend. So 4 4s are 16. So 6 minus 6 0 and 1 minus 1 0. That is a 4. Like this we have to solve this one. So 5 divided by 10, that is the answer is 2. 5 2s are 10. 10, that is a 14 divided by 10, 14 outside, that is divisor and dividend, and 4 10 4s are. So 10 4s is 14 and we have to subtract this one. And 8 divided by 4, 4 is outside, 4 how much? 8 4 2s are. So 8, so subtract this one and answer is 2. 20 divided by 4, 20 by divided 4, 20, the 4 how much? 20, 4 5s are 20. So the answer is 5. Relation between the multiplication and division. What we are learning here? We are learning here multiplication and division. The relationship between multiplication and division. We can get a division fact out of every multiplication fact. So when we are division fact is coming, the multiplication fact also is coming. So look at this picture. The row 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 12 circles inside this box. How many circles? 12. If you look at the picture, there are 2 rows. Yes, no, 1 row and row of 6 circles. Yes, we already count this one, 6. That is what? 2 rows of 6 into 12. So 2 rows are there, one each of the row, that is a 6. So 2 into 6, that is a 12. Again there are 12 circles in all. So the all is 12 circle. Since there are 2 rows with 6 circles each row. So each row has now 12 divided by 2. 12 circles are there and divided 2. That is what? 2 how much? 12? 2 6 are. So 6 circles. If you look at the picture, there are 6 columns of 2 circles each. Yes, no, 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. And what? There are 6 into, see, 6 is there in row. That is 6. How many rows? 2. 6 2s are 12. There are 12 circles in 6 columns. Yes, no? 12 circles in 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 columns. That is 12 circles. So 12 divided by 6 is 2 circles. If you are doing this one, 12 divided by 6 means 2 circles in the each column. So some with the same number of object, we can write multiplication facts and division and 2 division facts. We are writing same object. We can write down 2 multiplication facts, 2 facts and 2 divisions fact. Multiplication, 2 multiplication fact and 2 division facts. Let us see here. My practice time 2. Write 2 multiplications fact and 2 division fact for the following. See how many rows are here? 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, no, 3 rows. In each row, how many circles are there? 6. Okay. So 6 we can write down. This is a 2. So 6 into 3, 18 and 3 into 6, 18. The 2 multiplication facts is coming here. Now, so 18 divided by 3, that is 18 divided by 6. Now, 18 divided by 6, that is the answer is 3. So, now 18 divided by 3, the answer is 6. The answer is 6. Yes, no? So, that every divisions, the object, that is a 2 divisions fact and 2 division facts and 2 multiplication facts are here. B1, how many rows are here? 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See, one row, 2 row and 3 row. How many circles are there? 9. So, 9 into 3, 27. 3 into 9, 26. See, 9 into 3, 27. 3 into 9, 27. So, 2 multiplication facts are there and now 2 divisions facts are here. See, 27 divided by 3, the answer is 9 and 27 divided by 9, that is a 3. So, here it is a 2 divisions facts are here. Now, how many rows are here? 2 rows are there. How many circles are here? One each row, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 2 into 8, 16. Okay. Otherwise, you are telling like this and like this. Okay. And what? 16. 16 divided by 2 means 8. And 16 divided by 8 means what? 2. Yes, no? Now, this one, how many rows? 2 rows and 9 circles are there. 9 into 2, 18. Or 2 into 9, 18. And divisions are 18. 18 divided by 2 means 9. And 9 divided by 9, that is 18 divided by 9 means 2. 18 divided by 2 means 9. 18 divided by 9 means, that is 18 divided by 9. Here it is a what they are telling. 18 divided by 9 is 2 and 18 divided by 2 is what? 9. Okay. Now write the multiplications and divisions fact using the following numbers. Now we can write down in the fair book also. This one all you have to write down in your fair book also, textbook also and fair book also. Okay.